All right, so I wanted to show you the top of the machine because somebody had a comment that it's made out of metal, but it's not. This is plastic. As you can see, this is the top tray, and it's indeed made out of plastic. It does have a little heat shield, but still made out of plastic. And this is the inside of the machine, just in case you want to look at it. The part that you really want to check if you don't have pressure is this one. This is the pressure relief valve. So if there's too much pressure, it goes into the it actually goes into the collection tray.